Nice to meet you. Good evening. So we will see interesting things. We will see Harvard case study, how things are moving. See, we have seen a model like the triple bottom. Can anyone recollect the triple bottom?
Planet, profit, people.
Exactly. It is people, planet, or profit. Triple bottom model. So that is this case study is almost the fundamental one. The Tru Earth, marketing versus social responsibility. How a company balance between marketing and social responsibility. Here's what it is. So we will recall what we have seen so far. Can one of you recall this?
This slide, we previously see the recall section. So for first one is philanthropic era. It's nothing but a traditional donation through STLC, and it is $24M to special needs education. And second one is shared value. Shared value PWD employment includes $2M investment with governments under co-funding. The third one is strategic shift. The annual Benny's 2014 proposed their leverage core capacity.
Actually, what happened, from the philanthropic era, things have moved to the just one-time contribution from donation and all. The strategy of the business itself was based on CSR. That is the shift here. That's what we understand the strategic era. The CSR was built into the company strategy itself rather than a separate domain. Okay, next.
And fourth one is sustainable impact, crediting win outcome for society and business.
That is creating a win-win outcome for the society and income. See, in any game, one of you may win, other may lose. But in this game, this is a win-win situation. We have a two-way to matrix, win-win, win, lose, 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 win. So this is a win-win situation. So both the parties win. It is possible. The corporate of the company also wins, and the society also wins. That's the future. So exactly what we are going to study, we can check this images. Right? Now, this company, the Tru Earth, they are in a dilemma whether to go for marketing effort versus social responsibility. Some companies may indulge in wrong marketing and all. So in this case, so that is what the challenge is. You can explain this.
So the first one is innovation. So there is eco-friendly laundry, the steps that can estimate the plastic waste and reduce the carbon footprint. So the challenge they face is balancing the aggressive and growth marketing with automatic environmental sections. So the question is, does the cost driven exist with genuine social responsibility?
Understood? Emerging is very clear. So next, a real life case like of three companies, Patagonia, Unilever, and others.
The first company is Patagonia. Atlantic activation do not buy these jackpot companies realize environmental impact on the case.
Understood? The company's the environmental impact that is more important than the marketing calculation. In case of Unilever, integrated approach, sustainable approach. That's what this company is. Right? Next, how it is integrated with design thinking?
So the empathize stage, the understanding stakeholders. The Tru Earth must deeply understand environment, consumer and consumer, the world paint product and expect for the authentic sustainability. And empathy in action, research that shows consumer increasingly delete the growing. And 21% of telecom customer consider the sustainable practice when purchasing.
Well, nicely explained. Good. That means design thinking, empathy stage, you have integrated into this case stage. Now this is the framework. The mind map, we have made a mind map, or the shared values and the stakeholder characteristics. These are all our business models. Okay. Now what are the key lessons we have learned? First is philanthropic CSR.
Case do not lack differentiation, title, dot.
So that is we have philanthropic CSR, cash donations. First thing is we donate in cash. Second is strategic CSR. As I already told, strategy must be built into business sustainability and CSR must be integrated. That's the idea. That is smart partnering. Okay, you should go partner with your. Okay, now you can test your learning. You can answer these questions. You can find answer for these questions. You can discuss. Okay, aggressive marketing campaigns, whether they should be done overlooking the CSR, or where should we do it or not? That's the question. Which we should give priority? Only for the profit by marketing or CSR also? The idea is we need to balance both. We need to balance. That's the idea. Okay. Now, in summary, we have seen one of you can sum.
Navigating marketing and the social responsibility. The first one is authenticating matters. Consumer detect that green basing and the genuine commitment breeds trust and the loyalty. And second one is strategic integration.
Yes.
CSR must leverage competitions to create sad value, not just here donations.
Third one is measurement and accountability. Fourth one is long-term sustainability. Okay. So we know, we have studied this company, how this company was in a dilemma and how they balanced